mean, hey.
Hey.
Turtle Hole may have them.
All right.
I think we should do an open right now. What do you think?
We didn't put a cap on.
Hey, good morning, guys. Looking forward to another exciting episode on the Texas Outdoor Lifestyles.
That's my thing.
Here with Vicky Lynn, Jerry Santana with Ron Hoover, and Memo. Hopefully, we're fishing a little tournament here in Port Mansfield. We're north of Port Mansfield, about 18-20 miles. We're gonna look for kingfish, snapper, maybe a shark. We're gonna fish state waters. Hopefully we put on a great show for you guys. We're going up here, we're gonna drift some ribbon fish and try to catch a kingfish early and then see what else pops up later in the day. Ron Hoover, Jerry Santana, beautiful boat that he got at Ron Hoover. We'll show you the outside of it in a little while. Memo's a great experienced fisherman. We got a strong team, and y'all know Vicky Lynn. I mean, Vicky Lynn can catch some fish. So we got a strong team today. Hopefully we can catch some big fish and get it all on film for you. On the Texas Outdoor Lifestyles,
Get
you some.
Woo!
Come along with us and enjoy the great outdoors in the state of Texas. Texas Outdoor Lifestyles, brought to you by
Point Blank Sporting Goods, Danny's Pawn Shop, Ron Hoover RV and Marine Center, Mayak Boats, Jim's Pier, Friends of the RGB League, Enbridge, Life Takes Energy, Social Life, the magazine of the Rio Grande Valley, Atlas Electrical, Air Conditioning, Refrigeration and Plumbing, Pro Valley Food, and Select Properties.
Texas Outdoor Lifestyles. It's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle.
Important when you put ribbon fish on that you hook them and that they're not doing circles, that they pull straight through the water. So we're gonna test this one, put them out, see what happens. Vicky Lynn is hooked up!
Oh my God.
Just put one ribbon fish out. Bam!
Oh, I'm gonna have to go over there.
Around. You're gonna have to come around.
Or you're gonna have to move.
You just get hit?
You on?
No, not anymore. That was a big hit too.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Let's pull that out. Let's put another one. Let me get another one.
What do I do?
Go, bump it forward, Jerry.
Oh, he's a big one.
Go to the front. Go to the front.
Oh,
Come on, Vicky.
I don't do well in the front.
Go forward. Go forward. Go that way. You're going right.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa!
There you go.
One on the back again.
How big is he?
He's nice.
He's nice?
He looks heavy.
And a baby!
Yeah.
Nice one.
You don't want to lose that blood.
That's all right. It's all right. Good job. Good job.
Yeah, Vicky.
Good job, Vicky Lynn.
Holy
First one.
cow. First one. All right, let's get another one. Come on.
Get another one. Got Vicky Lynn.
I think I got a snapper.
I don't know. We'll see. Fighting down.
Definitely not fighting like a king.
Not a kingfish.
Double! Double snapper. That's why I felt so heavy.
We need to put balloons on them. We're not drifting fast enough. Or it doesn't matter.
Did you see him?
Yeah, got a double.
Hey, that's cool.
There's snapper in this tournament, but those aren't.
We need bigger ones.
Yeah, we need more bigger. Let me see, Vic, man.
Are we keeping those or?
No. We'll do better.
No, we can still keep our limits, no?
Of course. Hell yeah.
What do you want to
Absolutely.
go to the bottom?
These are squinkles.
Well, yeah, but let's throw them away once we get our.
Hi, I'm Vicki Chrysler Hinojosa with Texas Outdoor Lifestyles, and I want to tell you a little bit about Danny's Pawn Shop and Sporting Goods.
Did you know that you could pawn, sell, or even upgrade your guns here? They even have reloading supplies.
This isn't your grandpa's pawn shop. They have high-end jewelry, awesome Rolexes that I've bought. They even have a diamond grader on staff.
Not only can you find your guns, scopes, accessories, but the staff is very helpful and patient.
So come on down to Danny's Pawn Shop, downtown McAllen, and be sure to tell Danny that I said to get you some. Mayak Boats, the luxury boat on the water.
Smell it.
Looky there.
Another.
We're watching Anguito.
Another baby.
Hey, we're all a bunch of bait stealers, and then I get a little baby.
Jerry got a nice one, but He's so quiet over there. We didn't get him on film. Okay, let's get this baby back in the water.
What do you got?
Probably a Huachinango.
We need that big Huachinango. Oh, giving you a little bit of drag.
Hey Jerry, are we caught?
Uh-oh.
Nobody has a line over here.
Okay.
Going under the boat. Oh, that's a nice one. I think we do have a line. We do have a line.
Lost him. Ricky Land hooked up again. Gee, hua hua.
Let's see how big this one is. Let's see if I can beat Jerry's. I don't think so.
That's what I need to drag.
Maybe he's already tired. He's still nice. Not big enough.
I'm not gonna win a tournament without one.
No.
Not gonna win a snapper tournament without one.
Oh.
Still a keeper.
What's going on over here?
Small snap.
A little snapper. Oh, that one's going back to mama. Jerry is hooked up with a king. Oh. Where are you going, Jerry? Where are you going? What's that? Oh! Oh, God! Sorry! I almost knocked him over! There's big waves here, guys! What does it feel like, Jerry? Talk to me! Is it a Ron Hoover? Saltwater fish? Oh! Look at that!
It's a Ron Hoover fish, baby.
Look at that! Ron Hoover, Jerry Santana.
Boat guy.
Yeah, boat guy.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I think I see color, I see color, I see color. Oh, yeah, he's nice, he's nice, he's nice. What? I know, he's right there.
Come.
Oh my God, he's big. Oh, nice job. Oh yeah, get him in.
Good job, Jerry.
Woohoo!
Nice one, bro.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Very nice.
That's our Ron Hoover kingfish right there. Jerry Santana, the boat guy. Okay, Jerry. So, who do they call if they want to catch something like this?
Me, baby. Jerry Santana, the Ron Hoover boat guy.
Woo! Give me your phone number, Jerry.
314-4459, baby. Call
Get
me.
you some. Whoa! Okay, let's get this baby on ice.
going on? Vicky Lynn Chrysler. You know what's up? What's going on?
I'm just hooked up on another snapper that Jerry Santana puts us on.
Ron Hoover.
Ron Hoover, the boat guy. Anybody heard of him? Look
We're
at
watching
this.
Ango.
Look at that. I love it. Look at the triggerfish. I love to see that. Okay. What do you think, Jerry?
Cacahuate. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Good job, Vicky Lynn.
Yeah.
You're on fuego.
I know. I'm tired. My back hurts.
I think it's gonna be the last snapper, Vicky Lynn.
Last snapper of the day before we go in. Thanks,
Spectacular day on the water with Ron Hoover,
Jerry Santana.
Jerry Santana, Memo. The boys are out there. Put us on the fish. Woo!
Oh,
What's going on over here?
What's up with this? Wow! Oh, he's a big one.
Nice watching, Anguito.
Oh,
For the plate.
boom.
Nice.
Okay,
Nice fish.
let's go weigh in. Let's see what we got, right, guys?
Yeah, it's good.
You
Okay.
never know.
I know, you never know until you weigh in. So let's go weigh in, guys. Don't go away.
Get you some.
Oh.
At Social Life Magazine, we believe in community. That's why we're so proud to have the opportunity to document all that the Rio Grande Valley has accomplished. A community built on trust and shared values. It's friends becoming partners and partners becoming friends. Because together, we can accomplish so much more.
So from all of us at Social Life Magazine, thank you.
Thank you for letting us be a part of your community.
Social Life Magazine, the magazine of the Rio Grande Valley.
Ron Hoover RV and Marine in Donna wants to thank the Valley for making us the largest boat and RV dealer in Texas. More and more people in the Valley are learning that for selection, price, and financing for any credit rating, Ron Hoover RV and Marine in Donna. We sell family fun.
Pro Valley Foods has some of the highest quality meats in the world. Ask your meat market if they buy from Pro Valley Foods. Pro Valley Foods.
Kick that fat back beat.
We have a new Capitan.
Training.
He's like, whatever. I saw those eyes roll. Hopefully we get home, guys. Hopefully we get home. Don't be scared. I won't be scared.
Kick that fat back beat.
Okay, let's go. Where are they weighing?
Me.
Jerry Santana.
Are you ready? Okay, I'm gonna kick the tail. 50 3/4. 50 3/4. 6.7. Oh, 26.7. Nice fish.
That's 24 7/8.
$7.85. 7.85. Got it?
Yep.
All right, kicking the tail. 48 7/8. 48 7/8. $23.90. 23.90.
Going 21 5/8.
21 5/8. 5.25.
Oh no, that was wrong.
Kick that fat back beat.
Hi, Sarah with Atlas Electrical Air Conditioning, Refrigeration, and Plumbing Services 24/7. And I'm here again with my lovely sidekick, Miss Yvette, Continental 2020. And today she's got an egg. Why? I think it's because of our tip. We're going to be talking about rotting air. Rotting air. Why? Because did you know that the outside air is fresher than the inside air in your home and your business? Quick tip. 5 times worse inside. 5 times worse smells. Rotting air. Just think about that. Well, we have solutions for you. The ApoX, this baby right here, this UV light sterilizes the biological components and gets rid of toxic VOCs such as dust, bacteria, germs. This E-light right here purifies the inside coil so that your coil stays clean and your air condition lasts a longer time, gets rid of the bad air in your home. Call Atlas. We have solutions, beautiful filters, great working products. This is the only product on the market that gets rid of all 3. Most purification systems only get rid of dust. And who doesn't want to just get rid of dust? We all want to be divas. With the ApoX, call Atlas, we got you covered.
Hi, I'm Vicki Lynn Chrysler Hinojosa, your Texas real estate agent. Are you looking to build your dream home? I can help you with that. I only work with some of the finest home builders. From oceanfront properties to the most luxury home and ranches. Call on Vicki Lynn Chrysler, your #1 real estate agent. Call Vicki Chrysler Hinojosa. I want to be your Texas real estate agent. Point Blank Sporting Goods. They're the experts you got to talk to before your next big hunt. The largest selection of hunting bows in the valley, outdoor accessories, plus hunting and self-defense weapons. Not to mention a huge gun range and archery range. Come on into Point Blank Sporting Goods and be sure to tell them that I said to get you some. Well, guys, what do you think about that? What a fantastic day on the water, Jerry. You rock. Let me tell you, if you guys want to book a trip with Jerry, he can take you offshore and he can take you in the bay. If you want some big redfish, trout, or if you want to go out for some snapper, some kingfish, whatever's out there in the ocean, hey, Jerry can get you on fish. Go check him out at Ron Hoover. He can hook you up on a boat. He can hook you up on an RV. Whatever you want, anything in the outdoor world, let me tell you, Ron Hoover has it. Go talk to Jerry and book him now for all of your fishing trips. And congratulations, Jerry. Second place kingfish. Man, that was a nice kingfish. And I got third, but no trophy, no money, no nothing for me. So anyway, it's all good. Jerry, I'm so proud of you. You're awesome. You're so much fun to fish with. And let me tell you, you know what you're doing. So you guys, until next time, get you some.
First time?
First time, Vicky Lynn.
First time ever trailering a boat?
If the truth be known, I docked here for about 12 years back in the 80s, 90s with a 30-foot Scarab. So first time on this boat, but not my first time doing it here. Glad everything went okay. That's the name of the game.
Yes, until next time.
Get you some.